Are you listening, Toboe? You once asked me how I got this scar on my chest. Do you remember? This mark is a reminder of my sin. I ran. My friends were being slaughtered and I abandoned them. They knew what I'd done and banished me from the pack. I didn't need any friends. I never trusted them. All I ever did was betray the people around me. Until I met the three of you. I wanted to take you to paradise. You were the one who brought me all the way here.
Come on, Tsume, let's go! I believed in you. I won't whine anymore, and I won't run away.
Yeah, I know, kid. I know. Old man, take care of the run for me. See ya.